It's 7:59 p.m. and we're experiencing a strong thunderstorm. You can see, that that's a large and strong thunderstorm, and you see a bit of dust in it. Okay, you can see that the large thunderstorm. Whoops. Let me just zoom in, zoom out, and zoom in. You can see that's a really fast-moving thunderstorm because it's a very strong storm. The stronger the storm, the faster it is. If I see faster-moving clouds, that could be a tornado. That could potentially be a tornado. Stay alert for any of my reports. Closing, Jacob, Ryan, Thomas. Hope you're safe from this storm, this tornado.